Hey guys, Ali from ALTA Racks. How are you? Hey, is colors that we're gonna be offering during 2021 going forward. I just wanted to go over. We have the forest green. It's pretty foresty. Yep, that's right. And then you got the Texas burnt orange. That's right. This is Texas burnt orange. It's I would say it's a flat coat of lighter orange, like burnt orange. That's right. And then you got your flat cherry red. Flat cherry red right there. That's about the toning right there. Let's zoom out that. Like, then we go to the white vein. This is like a texture, and it's kind of bumpy. It's got white, kind of whitish, light gray white with dark silver veins in it. You can see that right there. And then you got your texture gunmetal gray. That's right. A little silver graphite. Then you got your gloss orange. Gloss orange. And we have our cement gray. This is close to a Toyota cement gray color. Then we have our desert tan. Desert tan. You got your black, silver vein, dragon skin right there. And then we have salmon pink. It's pretty cool. It's a new one. Lastly, our army green. Closest we can get to it. Alright guys, have a good day. You can put this in the notes if it's not under the swatch. The sticker colors can change.